Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. This is the second part of the third video in which I will discuss about the top 8 to 15 IITs cutoff, that is category wise and branch wise cutoff. I have uploaded the first video already few days ago in which I have talked about the cutoff for last 8 IITs, that is branch wise and category wise cutoff for male and female. So in this video I will talk about the next 8 IIT, that is top 8 to 15 category wise cutoff for male and female and branch wise. So watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this 8 IIT cutoff completely. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, ask me in the comment section. And if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also. And for many videos on NIT, triple IT, GFTI, check the I button as well as the description box. So let's just start the today's video. With the number 15 IIT, that is IIT Indore. It was established in 2009, and here is the cutoff for this IIT. For CSC, the general male cutoff goes to 1100, and for female it is 3000. For OBC it is 450 for male and 1250 for female, and for SC category 300 for male and 450 for female, and for ST category the boys cutoff goes to 200, and there is no seat reservation for girls in ST category in CSC branch, and there is also no seat reservation in EWS category. So the next is electrical engineering branch. The general category cutoff for boys goes to 3.7 thousand, and for female it is 7.5 thousand. For OBC male it is 1.5 thousand, and for OBC female it is 4,000. For SC male it is 900, for SC female it is 1600, for ST male it is 400, and no seat reservation for female. Now for mechanical engineering branch, the male cutoff goes to 5300 for general category, and for female it is 12.5 thousand. For OBC male it is 2000, female 5000. For SC male it is 1200, female 2.6 thousand. For ST male it is 500. Now talk about the civil branch. Male cutoff for general branch goes to 8000, for female it is 14,000. For OBC male it is 3000, for female 6000. For SC male it is 1400, female 2.5 thousand. For ST male it is 400. Now for the metallurgical and material engineering, the general cutoff for male goes to 10,000, for female 16,000. For OBC male it is 4,000, and for female it is 7.5 thousand. For SC male it is 2.2 thousand, and for ST male it is 1100. Now the next is number 14 IIT, that is IIT Jodhpur. It was established in 2008, and here is the cutoff. The CSC cutoff for general category male goes to 3.1 thousand, female 6.5 thousand. For OBC male it is 1.3 thousand, female 3.4 thousand. For SC male it is 800, female 1.1 thousand. For ST male it is 500, and no seat for female. For EWS male it is 350, female 1200. Now for electrical engineering, the general category cutoff for male goes to 6.1 thousand, and for female it is 11.3 thousand. For OBC male it is 2.8 thousand, female 5.4 thousand. For SC male it is 1.4 thousand, female 2.7 thousand. For ST male it is 600, and EWS male 700, female 1.5 thousand. Now for mechanical branch, general category cutoff for male goes to 8,000, female 15,000. For OBC male it is 3.1 thousand, female 7.1 thousand. For SC male it is 1.7 thousand, for female 2.6 thousand. For ST male it is 700, for EWS male it is 900, and female 1.7 thousand. For biotechnology branch, the general category cutoff for boys goes to 12.5 thousand, for female 19.1 thousand, for OBC male 4700, for SC male it is 2.7 thousand, female 4000, ST male it is 1700, and EWS male it is 1.5 thousand. So now let's talk about the number 13 IIT, that is IIT Patna. It was also established in 2008, and here is the cutoff. The CSE general category cutoff is 2.6 thousand and female 6,000. Now I will discuss only the general cutoff. You can check sidewise the category wise cutoff by pausing the video. So for electrical engineering branch, the general male cutoff 6,000, female 11.3 thousand. For mechanical 8,000 for male, 15,000 for female. And now for civil 10.1 thousand for male, 16.6 thousand for female. And now for chemical engineering branch, the general category cutoff for male 10.5 thousand, female 17.5 thousand. And for metallurgical and material science engineering, the cutoff is 12.1 thousand for male, 20,000 for female. Now talk about the number 12 IIT, that is IIT Hyderabad. It was also established in 2008, and here is the cutoff. For CSE general category cutoff for male 600 only, and for female 1.6 thousand. And for electrical engineering 2000 for male, 3.3 thousand for female. And for mechanical 3.6 thousand for male and 7,000 for female. Now for civil 6.5 thousand for male and 11.5 thousand for female. Here one thing should be noted, wherever I have put it the star sign, that means that branch or that category is not reserved in the respective college. So you can check the category wise cutoff sidewise by pausing the video. I am discussing only the general cutoff for male and female, because the video will be so long, so it is not possible to watch the all the video. So for now, material and metallurgical and material engineering, the cutoff for male goes to 7,000, female 11,000. Now talk about the number 11, that is IIT Gandhinagar. It was also established in 2008, and here is the cutoff. For CSC general category cutoff for male 1.6 thousand, female 3.2 thousand. Electrical engineering 3.3 thousand for male, 7,000 for female. Mechanical engineering 4.5 thousand for male, 12,000 for female. And for civil, male cutoff goes to 8.2 thousand, female 14,000. Now talk about the number 10 IIT, that is IIT Ropar. It was also established in 2008, and here is the cutoff. For CSE general category cutoff for male 2,000, female 4.5 thousand. For electrical engineering, male 3.3 thousand, female 5.3 thousand. And for mechanical 7,000 for male, 13.5 thousand for female. And for metallurgical and material engineering, the cutoff for male goes to 11.5 thousand, and for female it is 17,000. Now talk about the number 9, that is IIT Bhubaneswar. It was also established in 2008, and here is the cutoff. For CSC general category cutoff for male 2.1 thousand, female 4.5 thousand. For electrical engineering branch 5,000 for male, 9,000 for female. And for mechanical 6.2 thousand for male, 13,000 for female. And for civil 9.5 thousand for male and 15,000 for female. Now talk about the 8 number IIT, that is IIT Varanasi or IIT BHU. It was established in 1919, and here is the cutoff. For CSC, general category cutoff for male goes to 800 and for female 2.5 thousand. For electrical engineering 3000 for male and 6.5 thousand for female, and for mechanical 4.5 thousand for male and 11,000 for female, and for civil 7,000 for male, 12.5 thousand for female, and for mining engineering the male cutoff goes to 10.2 thousand and for female it is 20.5 thousand. So this is about the category wise cutoff and branch wise for male and female for the top 8 to 15 IIT. In the next video I will consider the remaining 7 top IIT of India and discuss their category wise cutoff and category wise cutoff for male and female for possible branches. So hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you don't watch the previous video in which I have considered the last 8 IIT, so watch that video. You can get the information that at lower rank you can also get IITs. By watching that video you can get that information. So like this video, share and subscribe. Thanks.